Hello kids! Today we will learn about wild animals. Are you ready? Let's begin. Follow the small blue circle and read along. Along with reading, we are going to play a fun game. For every right question, you will get a coin. You have to collect 5 such coins and win a trophy. Let's begin. Before we start, do click on the red subscribe button to have fun while learning and reading. Read with me. Elephants use their trunks to drink water and grab food. Again, elephants use their trunks to drink water and grab food. Now it's your turn to read. Very good. A cheetah is the fastest land animal in the world. Again, a cheetah is the fastest land animal in the world. Now it's your turn to read. Very good. Dolphins communicate with each other using clicks and whistles. Again, dolphins communicate with each other using clicks and whistles. Your turn to read. Very good. Penguins can't fly, but they are great swimmers. Again, penguins can't fly, but they are great swimmers. Your turn. Very good. A giraffe's neck can be up to 6 feet long. Again, a giraffe's neck can be up to 6 feet long. Your turn to read. Very good. I hope you have learned everything about these animals. If you want to go back and revise, you can do so. Let's begin with the Animal Kingdom questions. For every right answer, you will get a coin. You have to collect 5 coins and win the trophy. Question 1. Which animal has a trunk? Dolphin, elephant, penguin, cheetah, giraffe. Which animal has a trunk? Can you name that animal? It starts with the letter E. Elephant. Correct. You just earned your first coin. Very good. Question 2. I run faster. Who am I? Can you guess which animal can say this? Who runs faster amongst all these animals? This animal's name starts with the letter C. And it's cheetah. Correct. You have earned 2 coins for 2 right answers. 3 more coins to go. Let's start with the next question. Question 3. Which animal is a bird but can swim like a fish? Which animal is a bird but can swim like a fish? What do you think? Is it a dolphin or a penguin? Is dolphin a bird? No, dolphin is a fish. Is penguin a bird? Yes. But can penguin swim like a fish? Yes. So the right answer is penguin. Correct. You have earned 3 coins. Great job. Only 2 more questions. Question 4. Find me. I have a long neck. Which animal do you think has a very long neck? You are right. It's giraffe. Giraffes have very long neck. Even baby giraffe's neck is very long. 1 more right answer. You have earned 4 coins. Amazing. Only 1 coin and you will win a trophy. Last question. I am a friendly fish. Spot me. Which one do you think is a fish amongst all these animals? There's only one fish here, blue in color, and the name of this fish starts with letter D. It is a dolphin. Correct. Congratulations, you have answered all 5 questions correctly and you have earned 5 coins. Can we count them together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Amazing job. And here is your trophy. Great work, guys. You are a winner. Good job. Subscribe and watch more such videos. Have fun while learning and reading. You did great. See you in the next video. Teaching Mama loves you. Bye-bye.